Hello everyone, I am Saitid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's we'll try to compare the loudspeakers between the MI11X versus the IQ7 device after the recent software updates. So as friends, both phones they did have the software update recently, and after the update there are a couple of changes in terms of the performance wise, battery and everything. And even few users they did ask me to make a video on the loudspeaker comparison, so whether the IQ7's phone loudspeaker got better or not when compared with the previous results, because in the previous results the MI11X did little bit kind of outperform the IQ7 device. So that's what I'm going to do right now in this video, testing again the loudspeakers between the both of the smartphones. So let's get started friends without wasting any kind of time. So first let me try to play the audio one by one mobile phone. Let me try to open the music file. And one more thing, in the MI11X device you do have the Dolby Atmos inbuilt. So let me try to go to the settings and show you the exact software options what I'm trying to use right now. Let me try to scroll down. As you can see friends, so right now there is a Dolby Atmos as well in the phone, so where you can actually select the different values, so depending on the type of content you're planning. So I'm trying to use the music content at this time, and I'll try to use even without using Dolby Atmos as well. So maybe first let me try to disable the Dolby Atmos. So without Dolby Atmos, let's compare which phone has a better kind of audio quality. So this is what I'll try to see. Let me try to start the audio from the beginning. So here's audio from the beginning, and I'm trying to place the sound meter bar exactly in the middle, so you'll be able to know which phone has a better kind of sound reception. So let me try to start playing the audio first in the MI11X device slightly. As you can see, I'm trying to increase the volume little by little. One more thing I totally forgot, even sidebar there's a video toolbox option. So here the sound profile, even you can change, increase or decrease the sound profile as well in case if you are interested. But right now at this moment I am not using any of those kind of profiles. As you can see friends, clearly the score went up to 89 and 90 decibels as well right now in the MI11X device. So let me try to play the same audio in the IQ7. As you can clearly see friends, the audio from the IQ7 went up to 86 decibels only, but in the MI11X it went up to 90 decibels friends. Definitely in terms of the loudspeaker, the MI11X is slightly improved, and after the software update the Dolby Atmos got deleted from the video toolbar, so which is available here. Before we used to get the Dolby Atmos here, but now you need to go to the settings to enable the Dolby Atmos. So without using Dolby Atmos only you are getting the 89 and 90 results. So now let's see by using the Dolby Atmos whether you will be able to get that extreme sound effects or not. That is what I'm trying to see right now. Let me try to enable, and I did enable the music as well during this time. As you can see, let me try to open the music player. Same kind of results, you didn't see any kind of change in terms of the volume. So next, if you try to increase the clarity and the volume to the maximum, just a little bit got increased the volume in this MI11X device friends. So overall this is a quick comparison between both phones, and before update and after update there's nothing improvement in the IQ7 device. And in terms of the MI11X device, so slightly there's a change in terms of the Dolby Atmos option, how you can enable that. And that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and make sure to stay tuned for more unique updates which I'll be doing in my channel. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.